Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm gonna try and catch up. In fact, I plan on doing a whip and chat hopefully this week. So I did finish Viola. I did an unboxing of this one because I was super excited. I instantly saw it and bought it and waited for it to come. It took me a while to finish because there's been a lot going on in my life. And I really haven't completed much diamond painting or coloring in general. So it's like, wow, what did I get done? So I wanted to do a quick post review of this. Now, it is a Curtis Reikovich. Now, this is from Dreamer Designs, one of my favorites to shop. In fact, I like them more than Diamond Art Club, but it's mainly because of this artist. So there's that. But this is a 60 by 80 centimeters, which is pretty much how all of his are. However, I do have a couple that are not that big, but most of them are. So this does take a little bit longer because it's a beast. It did have tons of color blocking. It is round drills. I mean, like, as you can see with the background and stuff here, loads of color blocking and loads of ABs. In fact, like all this light blue here and here and here, that's all AB diamonds. Same with this like lighter pinkish color. I mean, this thing was AB heavy. I have never done so many ABs in a background. In fact, let me see if I can get it to, we got overcast, so the light is not on my side because this is so pretty. And I will do like a scan little video as well after, but I do want to talk about the rendering. I really like how they do rendering at Dreamer Designs. I feel they render faces way better than Diamond Art Club. Just me, but I mean, the face looked really good. It turned out great. I didn't have a lot of trash drills. In fact, I maybe had a dozen. And then I just loved the AB placement. I mean, they were all over. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs, and they were used throughout the hair, the background. Got a little bit on the kitty here. I mean, it was just all over the place. And I think the shading was just gorgeous, like right down to her outfit. This whole thing is just so pretty, and I love it because it's not super Halloweenish, you know, with the orange and all that, but it's still absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I highly recommend this kit. And the nice thing is, because it's not like a super Halloween palette, you can do this kit any time of the year. Yeah, she's a witch, but I mean, I color witches all the time. So it's definitely year-round friendly. I just happened to do it for October because I was doing the drills and chills. I ended up not finishing this until end of November though with life. But overall, I really liked this one. The canvas's glue was great. I've had issues in the past, but not recently. And then I had tons of leftover drills. Like I said, they don't short you on ABs. Like they have, like I said, this background is a ton of ABs. So hopefully I can capture that when I do my overview video for you. But I recommend this kit. If you were like on the fence, because I know it's like $69.99, I think. Definitely worth buying. It turned out beautiful. The rendering is spot on. Everything was lovely. And then of course, yeah, just tons of sparkle. AB crazy. So that made it fun as well. But yeah, I'll give a quick little overview video. There will be no talking. It'll just kind of show you all the details. And I will be soon unboxing my project for December/January because I have a diamond painting I'm actually working on for my mom as a gift. So it's not really Christmas themed, but I have to get it done in December. But then I also have a painting I'll be doing for December and January because it's wintry. So I'm trying to avoid anything Christmas because I know it's going to spill over. If you did Viola, let me know your thoughts if you were just as pleased with it because I love it. Absolutely love it. And yeah, until next time, take care. Stay tuned for the quick little overview video, but I will talk to you again soon. Bye now.